Episode 3. Planting the seeds.
Good morning. These are the fundamentals of life. Today we will be learning how to grow plants, and in a month we'll be learning how to grow your own human being from scratch. But first, the basics.
Fleslet on the beat.
You should go get some more water. Come along here. Outside. Don't film my butt. We're just gonna wet this. Now the instructions said, so as you can see already, we're getting this really great dirt texture, and what this is going to do is it's really going to help saplings grow, become strong and healthy sapling children, which is what we want here. See, instructions are just lies. It feels like I'm hacking at like elephant poop.
This looks so cool.
Really? How's it going? Pretty good. We're almost to like the point of dirt. Just chunky dirt right now.
Come on, Eddie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, I'll let you
We're replacing this from dirt. Get your hands in it. Nice. Nice little handful. Just squeeze out all that liquid. Okay. And now your dirt should look like this. Okay, so eat it. Let's put them right there. Look how conveniently it places atop.
So smart.
Squeeze out all that excess water. Okay. I'm just gonna get a nice amount in there, cause
They just go on the surface?
yeah. How?
Join us for more great episodes by subscribing to our YouTube channel.